Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. This video is all about launching the game The Sims 4 or any other game using the Steam. You got an error, application not found. So without wasting time, let's go ahead and directly proceed with the resolution. First of all, in the basic step, right click on the game, choose the option manage and click on the option browse local files. Now here open game folder, bin and you will find the launcher file. Right click and go to its properties, click on compatibility tab and check mark the option run this program as an administrator. Hit apply and OK button. After doing so, close it, then right click again, go to its properties, under installed files, click on the option verify integrity of the file. After verifying the integrity of the files, relaunch your game and the issue of application not found will be completely fixed. However, if this failed to work out, in next step, right in this installed files, click on the option browse. Now open installer folder and open here origin folder. You will find a redist folder, open it, open internal and you will find EA app installer. You need to right click on it and choose the option run as administrator. Now right over here you will find the option of repair. Click on the option repair. Once the process is completed, it will automatically launch the EA Play app for you. Once it is launched, go ahead and right into the Steam, select your game by going to a library and this time click on the option play, and once you hit the play option, the issue of application not found will be completely fixed. So as of now, that's all about it friends. If this video works out for you, I request you to please click on subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue receiving updates from my channel. Thank you so much friends. Thank you for watching.